Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Collection Filters widget, helping your customers easily browse and find exactly what they're looking for in your store. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Collection Filters widget, open your customized Debutify theme. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Free Widgets. Go to Template, then select Product Grid section. Here, you can customize all settings. Desktop filter layout. Choose how filters appear on desktop. Horizontal. Displays filters in a row at the top. Vertical. Shows filters in a sidebar on the left. Drawer. Opens filters in a sliding drawer. Enable sorting. Enable this option to show the sorting filter. Disable it to completely hide sorting choices. Filter icon. Select your preferred icon to display with the filter. Example, Filter Alt. Show unavailable option. Display out of stock or unavailable filter choices to customers. Product count visibility. Control how product counts appear next to each filter. Hide for all options. Hides counts completely. Show for all options. Displays counts for every filter. Show for available options only. Displays counts only for in-stock items. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Collection Filters widget, giving your customers a smoother, more personalized shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.